activate Crunchyroll code. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to activate Crunchyroll code. To learn how, keep watching the video till the very end. Now go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll application. After you do that, you will be initially entered in the home screen of your Crunchyroll app. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. Now scroll a bit until you see subscription under membership, so go ahead and tap on it, and then go ahead and tap on the second option that says a redeem offer code. Now what you have to remember here is you have to buy premium in order to redeem your offer code. So after you tap on it, you will be asked to enter a code which will be available on your Gmail. So after you buy your premium, the code will be already been in your Gmail account, and then you can enter the same code here by opening your Gmail, and then lastly go ahead and tap on redeem, and then that's how you do it. That's how you activate your Crunchyroll code. I hope the video was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye until then.